This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. It is June 25th, 2019. Take a look at cryptos here. And we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, which is still up for the day, trading at about 11,104. Just notice here that it is seemingly about to test a trend line that it has been following on the 4-hourly. So let's take a look at that trend line. And this connects recent lows on the 4-hourly chart. I'll just draw it like that. And we can see how it has been touching this line during pullbacks and even here. So clearly we can see that this is going to be a test area where if we can find support, then there's a likelihood of a continuation to the upside. And if we break below that level, then this is where we can anticipate that there's going to be a change in the short term for a pullback as far as the cryptos are concerned. So right now we can also see that if we squint our eyes a little bit, we can see that this has gone above RSI 69.1 and back below it with uniform action. And because of that uniform action, that also tends to be an early sign of an impending reversal. So it does need to break this trend line on the 4-hourly, and the more the RSI drops below 69.1, the more this is going to confirm that in the short term we are now due for a major pullback, based on the fact that we've come really a long ways here in the short term with this move over the last couple of weeks. And if we take a look at the total crypto market, we can see here that again on the 4-hourly, this line is going to be either support for a bounce higher. So we're either going to bounce on this line and coil up, continuing to grind to the upside, or we get this break. And after that break, of course, that does mean that the trend has now taken a break and we are due for a pullback. Again, this connects recent lows, as you can see, as a total aggregate for the crypto space. So testing this line is going to determine whether we find support in the short term or whether we break below that. And again, just like we saw with Bitcoin, we can see we've moved above the RSI 69.1 area. We went above it and back below it with uniform action. And that is suggesting that this is a reversal pattern. So if somebody was long, this would be the line to watch. As long as we are trading above this line on the cryptos, you continue holding. If we break the line, time to consider trimming the position. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Yes. I am out.